Meow. Get the fuck away from me. What? And girls don't like when you meow. They don't like it. And it's not something that I can change. It's this is who I am. And it's just something that I've had to come to terms with, that girls just don't like it when you're a cat. They just don't like it. Which doesn't really make sense, cuz like, excuse my crass language, but you like playing with your pussy, right? I am a pussy. Why don't you play with me? What did I do? Sometimes I get up at 3 a.m. and run around the house. That shouldn't be a deal breaker. That shouldn't be something that you have to go to counseling for. Fucking stupid. Um, just because I like yarn doesn't make me a bad man, you know? I like to think that I'm actually a pretty good boyfriend most of the time. Um, and just, yeah, I chase my tail. Oh my god, he chases his tail, he chases his tail. So what? You chase the paper, I chase my tail. Just whatever. And I try, I try to be, I try to be there for my partner when they need me. Um, Look, you never have to worry about a dirty bathroom. I don't even use it. I use the box. I smell good for the most part. I mean, like, yeah, sometimes I take a shit and then I smell like shit for like a couple hours, but it fades. So really, what's the problem? Really, who's the bad guy here? Fucking, I don't get it. Yes, you can't take me into public because I start chasing birds. Big fucking whoop-de-doo. You know what I mean? Just whatever. Yes, I break random objects for no apparent reason. Okay?